Wow, smells so beautiful. Look at our soup. All the herb. Sawadika, welcome to Som Thai Cooking. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today I'm gonna cook chicken noodle. Really popular in Thailand on the street. You can't find in 5-star hotel because this one is so different, but really absolutely beautiful. This is not fancy meal, but absolutely like local people eat. Everyone eat it. But I would like to share my recipe. Really easy. You can make it at home and not much ingredient at all. But what do you need? Bay leaf, cinnamon, and star anise. You can find in any supermarket because this I got from Aldi. I live in Australia. They have at Aldi. Also Woolly or Co also. And the chicken bone for the soup. And I got the chicken drumstick and the chicken wing. But anyway, you can use any chicken or whole chicken you could add in the soup. But don't forget the main three things you add in is gonna be beautiful smell, beautiful taste, and the herb also really good for body. Anyway, just start to cook. Ingredient for chicken noodle: I got chicken bone, chicken wing, and drumstick, and cabbage, and carrot, and radish, and onion. If you can't find radish, you can use carrot, that's alright, and bay leaf, star anise, cinnamon, and sweet soy sauce, and oyster sauce, and sugar. And the water, that's it. Ingredient for chicken noodle is not much at all. But the main thing, you have to have 3 of those. This one gonna make beautiful smell and taste just absolutely beautiful. The ingredient for the noodle to add with the soup, we got the noodle. You can use any type of noodle. I get rice noodle and coriander and spring onion and bean sprout. If you can't get bean sprout, you can use the cabbage. The one we added in the soup also is not necessary to find it. And garlic and chili powder. If you want to add it in, if you don't want to just leave it like that. But in Thailand, we add it in. So this up to you. It's very easy ingredient, but main thing just the soup. Gonna be very beautiful. We put all whole onion in. And I'll just add one piece of cabbage in. The first thing, I add 5 liters of water in. And I got chicken bone. I add chicken bone in. And all our chicken drumstick, 2 chicken bone and 1 kilo of chicken drumstick and chicken wing. This I mix together. And bay leaf, I add about 5 tablespoons of cinnamon or 7 star anise. 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of the soy sauce. And 1 cup of oyster sauce also. And 1 cup of sweet soy sauce. Onion in. And cabbage in. Carrot. And now we can turn the gas on and heat quite high. And then we keep stirring. And we wait about 2 hours. And now we just prepare spring onion and coriander. While we're waiting for the soup, we're just gonna soak the noodle. About 10 minutes, they're gonna be fine. We're gonna boiling with the bean sprout. If you can't find bean sprout, you just use the cabbage. Gonna be fine. Bean sprout. So, I would like to share to you how we're gonna get the clear soup. Just try get the bubble on top. You see the water quite start to be bubble, and our soup gonna be clear. Be careful with all the seasoning we added in. Just try to take it off. This trick, because the chicken make all the bubbles start come out. And we get the soup really clear. This one the trick in the restaurant, on the street, in the shop. They do this, just keep doing things like this. Just chuck it in. And you see the soup start to be clear. And when we serve, we not add the bay leaf in or star on it. We just get the soup and the chicken, the way we serve for the noodle. Smells so beautiful, isn't it? Let me see this. See, I try to get it off. And you see the soup start to be clear. Because we try to get the bubble out on top of the chicken. See the soup? Try to get like this out. Look at our soup. Wow, smells so beautiful. Look at our soup. All the herb. All done. And now we're gonna start to cook the noodle. Look at this. And now we're gonna take the chicken off to put in the soup. And now I would like to show you how we cook the noodle. I got noodle about 100 grams. Just cook noodle in this one like this. 2 or 3 minutes gonna be done because the water really hot. Got bean sprout and cabbage. And cabbage in. If you can't find bean sprout, you can use cabbage or any veggie you like. This is about 30 seconds. And that's it. Black in, and now we're gonna decoration side of this. Then we just get the soup. I need to get all the herb we added in. We just get our soup. And got the garlic in. And our spring onion and coriander. Look at our noodle already done. Look at this. Chicken noodle, easy to cook. You guys gonna love it. When you have a friend come over or for party, absolutely, you have to try. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna try now and see. I can smell the noodle. I hope you guys can make it like me. It's very easy recipe, and the way we eat just mix together. Look at this one. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna try some. Wow. Smells so beautiful. And the taste, absolutely really nice. I use chopstick and you see this? This one. Wow, really beautiful. I'm gonna get some like this. Very good. What about chicken? And you see the chicken? It smells already. I'm gonna stop. Look at this. They just feel up. They just go out of the past. Look at this. Wow. Wow. Absolutely delicious. Look at this. Just some of the soup. Absolutely beautiful. You guys have to make it at home. Hope you like my recipe. Very easy to cook. When you go Thailand and you come back to your country, you also can cook chicken noodle like Thai style. Very easy recipe and absolutely beautiful. I'm really happy to share to you guys and hope you guys can cook like me. If you like my recipe or you like my cooking, please subscribe for me and share for me. Or you want to talk to me or send messenger to me, anything you want to ask, please go to Facebook, Som Thai Cooking. I'm happy to answer all your questions. And thank you for watching my video and see you next time. ขอบคุณค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ